Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Saiful Goni, Assistant Teacher, Information and Communication Technology, Mandari Alim Madrasa, Mohamaya, Chandpur Sodor, Chandpur, Bangladesh. I am proud to say that I am blessed to be a member of Global Trainer Academy. I will always be grateful to Shimul Begum, Team Leader Global Trainer Academy. I am grateful to him for making me a member of the Global Trainer Academy. My academic qualification SSC Second Division, HSC Second Division, BA Pass Second Division, B.Ed Second Class. My training 1 month long computer training course BIAM Dhaka, Bangladesh. 1 month long computer course Polytechnic Institute Kotbari, Kumilla, Bangladesh. Digital Content Training Course TQI Government Research Training College Kotbari, Kumilla, Bangladesh. Completed Information Commission Training Course. My trainings. I am grateful to everyone. I will be especially grateful to Shimul Begum, Team Leader of Global Training Academy. He did not bring me into this world. Everyone wears a mask, wash the hand with soapy water and maintain social distance. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.